Hello my dear kids. Today teacher is here to teach you a new craft. Yes, we are going to make a new craft today, and do you know what is it? No, right? I'm going to show you. We are going to make this beautiful doll today. Okay? Shall we look into the steps? Okay, come with me. Okay, to make our doll, we will need a plastic bottle like this and some pieces of wool cut into this length. If you don't have wool, you can also make use of ropes. Pieces of ropes නේද ගෝනි ලනු කෑලි ගන්න පුළුවන් wool ගෙදර නැත්තම්. Okay, and then you will also need a white color eggshell, an empty one, right? And also you will need some varnish papers of different colors. Okay, let's start making our doll. Okay, first you will have to tear the papers that you have into small pieces like this. Okay, for my dear parents, please give your child some time to tear these papers because tearing is very important for the development of the finger muscles of your child. Okay, now I have teared down different colors of varnish paper into small pieces, right? And I have mixed them all. Okay, so that's it for the varnish papers. And then you have to take the bottle, right? And then we need the assistance of your parent to cut the bottle into half. So we will only use the top part of the bottle for this craft. Now the first step is to paste these varnish papers one by one to cover the entire bottle. Now teacher has finished pasting the varnish paper on the bottle. Now we are going to open the bottle lid. We don't need the lid, we can remove it. And then we have to fix the empty eggshell to the bottle. So how do we fix it? We need to apply some glue around the eggshell in the bottom area, right? And then you can fix. Use binder glue so that it will fix properly. Okay, like this way. And next I have cut out a strip of varnish from you can use any color varnish paper, and then you can cut a piece like this and stick it around the neck of our doll like this way. Now I have taken my pieces of wool and I have kept them parallelly to each other like this way. We are going to make the hair of our doll. Okay, right. So what I'm going to do is tuck this bundle of wool from this place. Okay, so I will need a small piece of wool to tuck it. And now we are going to fix this hair part to our doll. So it will look like this now. Next, teacher is going to tie the hair like this way. Like doll is having two ponytails, okay, on either side. But I'm going to tuck the hair from this place. So after tucking the hair, the two ponytails, your doll will look like this. And finally we are going to complete the face of our doll. Okay, first I'm going to draw the eyes. And finally the mouth. Okay, our doll is ready now. So you can try this activity at home so that we can keep this nice exhibit for our exhibition as well. So I'd like to see a photograph of your nice doll craft. So send it to teacher. Goodbye. Have a nice day.